What we're doing today is I'm going to be teaching you how to use NoWalkBot and qbot. Pretty much what these are gonna do is what these bots are gonna do is you'll join, you'll open the CMD, you'll use the node, and it'll crash the server, or it'll try to, because it'll be adding so many bots that it'll crash the server. So without stalling anymore, I guess, let's go ahead and get into it. What you want to do first is you want to go on ahead and make a new folder. You want to name it whatever you want to name it, but I'm just going to go on ahead and just name it no walk, because that's the name of this bot. So you want to put that in there, right? When you do that, edit, you can just click edit here and open, and it'll open here, right? And you can carry on like this here, but you don't have to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open it with IntelliJ, because I like using IntelliJ because it's just better appearance, you know? And I can specify which line to use. So I recommend downloading IntelliJ. What you want to do here is you want to go down here and you want to go to this. You want to go to there, right? Let me actually, really quickly, I want to Control C, make sure I've got that server selected. You'll want to X out of that because that's the default server. You want to paste in whatever server you're going to use. You put in whatever version, so 1.16.5, right? Right, you do that. If you want, you can. I'll put this code piece in the description, so that way y'all can do that. But you can get rid of that, Control V, which will paste it. And then right here, in between these two quotes, what you do is you type whatever you want to. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put sub to quick test, right? Don't want it to be more than 16 letters long, no spaces, no dashes, no underscores, pretty much exactly like that, but with whatever else you want it to be. You can make this faster. I put it down at 15 every now and then, but 50, but I'm gonna leave it at 5,000 just for purposes, you know. And so what you're gonna do now is you're going to go over to File, Save All, right? So now then you can X out of that. You can go on ahead and close out of these. Go to File Explorer, and whenever you click Edit, you want to click Edit. Just make sure. See, sub to quick. See, and that's where I messed up. Quick with a K. Quick test. Okay. Oh my god, Lord, I'm an absolute idiot. Save. Okay. And then so you X out of it yet again, but you want to click here, right? And CMD command, right? Then you type node, and this right here says no walk bot. So you node space no walk. Okay, so now we have the server actually started, and you've got about 7 minutes to weasel your way into the server. So what you're gonna do is I'm going to hit play, and I'm going to join. I'm gonna load the server, and look, I'm the only one in here. qbot. And it's not even gonna actually give me a password or anything like that. So this is gonna be a whole lot easier, you know? So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna go over to your folder, you're gonna CMD. Wait, no. I almost forgot one important thing. Almost forgot. This is a very important thing that you do not want to forget. If you want to bot a different server other than the server that you already have in it, you have to make sure to change it. I forget this way too often. So you want to do that and then that. File, save all, and then you could just exit out, and then just CMD, node, no walk. and it's going to begin absolutely destroying the server, I believe. Or it should. It should. I hope it does. I hope it works. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, what's going on here, though? Okay, there we go. And what's going to happen is it's going to just continuously join them, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and would you look at that? You've got all of these players joining, but they're not real players. They're all bots. And if you want this to go even faster, you just X that out and you can come up in here, edit. I do not recommend doing this at all, but I'm going to do it. 50. File, save, X, CMD, node, no walk. And that's going to spawn them at a way faster rate. You're just going to absolutely crash this server because this server has no plugins, so I want to see how long it takes. Bots are joining and joining and joining, right? So pretty much what's happening is you're botting the server, and all that's going to happen here is this bot's not going to do anything because there's nobody there, you know? So I can keep punching it and punching it and punching it, and it's not going to do anything at all. And we've got, how many players do we have on now? We've got a good couple on now. And that is thanks to this. But they keep joining and leaving. Why is that? Node, no walk. And you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna edit, and I'm gonna take this all the way down to 10. File, save. All of these bots are joining. I'm gonna X both of these. I'm gonna CMD node no wall. And this is gonna be I thought it would go a little bit faster, but it's not going that fast. Surprising. Okay. Well, if y'all could figure out why they join and leave, that'd be pretty cool. But it doesn't matter. All I know is bots are joining and TPS is down at 19.4 and 19.5.2. The TPS is dropping as we speak because this many players are joining, right? And this is just a normal server. Just a normal Eternos server that I just made, nothing running. So it's probably going to be a whole lot harder with an actual server made, but that's still a decent amount of bots that you've got to join. And if you know what you're doing, you could possibly add on to this and make them do things and run around to make it lag even more. And well, that's where I'm going to leave you. Okay, goodbye.